This is a first test cut on a Huntsman chemical memory foam type material. This is an unmodified Model 204 using a 5/8 inch wide scallop edge knife blade. This is probably not the ideal setup, but we need to get a baseline on the performance. This cut did not exhibit any of the pulling of the material that we expected. You can see from the two cut edges of the material, the original cut edges provided by the manufacturer had a little kerf or rollout at the end. The cut we just produced was nice and crisp.